next stop was the Science of Speed Open House in Chandler, Arizona. Science of Speed was founded in 2001 and has been an S2000 and NSX specialist ever since then. Thanks, brother. See ya. Salute. Thankfully, the chance of rain is really low today, so it's perfect for a car show. What do you mean it never rains here in October? This is totally normal weather. Inside Science of Speed, we had the pleasure of checking out some of their latest projects. One of my personal favorites is the brand new S2000R powered by a K20C engine lifted out of a Civic Type R. This package was developed by Science of Speed and is now available to the public for a very reasonable price. With everybody sheltering inside from the rain, this was a perfect time to introduce some of our sponsors and vendors to the whole group all at once. As you can see, some of us were very excited. So if you ever need help with that, we're always happy to assist and help figure out this particular situation. But mainly, I just want to thank all of you guys for actually coming out, supporting NSXPO, supporting these types of events, because they are basically pointless without you guys. So thank you all, give yourselves a round of applause, and if you ever want to do track day stuff, come say hi to me. Thanks, guys. Thankfully, the rain let up shortly after, and we were able to head outside and have a nice lunch in the Arizona sun. We had a few hours between the concourse and the Talking Stick Resort banquet. This gave us some time to clean up and get ready for the night. After enjoying a few drinks, some live music, and participating in the silent auction, we headed on into the banquet hall to get ready to eat dinner. During dinner, we had the NSXPO committee for 2022 jump on the stage so we could recognize them for their hard work.
And what I'd like to do is, I'd like to introduce the team that really did all the work. I didn't know this. I'd like to the team. Oh, there we go. All right. You guys all know me. JC Palmer.
Next up, we had the live auction.
We got 600 in the back. Thank you for your bid. 700. Anybody for 700 for these very special and special auctions? Okay, 700 over here. Great job.
We had some pretty cool items up for bid, including watches, a real-time racing experience, a signed helmet with all the committee members' names on it, as well as a large selection of other awesome items.
NSXPO is going to be any good. We just got done with this one. You know, was this one any good? Did you guys have
It does seem like everybody enjoyed the 2022 NSXPO in Arizona. We're all excited for Road Atlanta next year.
I'd like to bring up a representative from the winning team for next year. Next year's NSXPO is going to be in Atlanta, Georgia.
After spending a week with a bunch of awesome NSX lovers, it's time to finally say our goodbyes.
Renee, it was really nice meeting you. Yeah.
Where are you going?
What's that?
Where are you going?
Going home. We live about 10 miles from here. So we're local.
For your prize, well deserved.
What's that?
Your prize,
Oh, thank
well
you.
deserved.
I appreciate it. That means a lot from you. I think it's a junk box as long as everybody else thinks it's kind of cool, you know?
You're fast, you can drive. Let me come.
Very much. Thank you. Hope you had a good time.
Rene, along with a couple other folks, had flown from the UK, and he was so gracious enough to recognize that my track car actually won a prize. I had almost completely forgotten at this point.
Have a good safe trip
You
back,
will.
okay?
I'll see you next year.
Yes, I hope to. Atlanta's a possibility. I like that racetrack a lot. So that's a good way to tempt me to show up is a nice racetrack. Thanks, guys.
Honestly, the smiles around the room say everything that needs to be said about this amazing event.
While heading out, we decided to stop and enjoy another set of music before we hit the road. And last but not least, these incredible views of an NSX chassis, all stripped down, beautiful bare aluminum. Definitely the crowning achievement of Acura for the 90s. And with that, this story is coming to an end. Well, not really an end, just a postponement until next year. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please go ahead and check out some of my other playlists or hit the subscribe button below. Really appreciate you. We'll see you next time out of the track.